In this lesson we will learn how to make this button, and I crochet around the button Romanian cord. So I will show you how to make this small motif. It's kind of fun to make, and all you need to do to prepare a button, take a contrast color and weave it inside the button on the back, and we're ready to go. So insert the hook into the edge of the button, pick up thread and make one stitch. So we have like basically two stitches, one that coming out first time and then one more. This is how we actually begin our Romanian cord, two stitches. Then we turn and let's assume that this is our bump that we need. So insert the hook into the edge of the button and pull the thread out. Crochet two together and turn. So the same way as we crochet Romanian cord, we turn in all the time. We turn in all the time the same direction, clockwise. We will turn the button this way. So now, after this, we will find a bump. First time we'll have only one bump, right on the small piece of Romanian cord. This bump is not easy to pick up, so don't be very tight here. And pick up also edge on the button. Move this stitch through, but not through the last stitch. It's not very easy to do. Let me try again. Okay. So stitch on the cord, pick up stitch on the edge of the button, pull this through and pull through right here through the stitch on the side. You have two stitches. Crochet together. Again turn like this. Again we're going. This time we will not pick up anything on the button, only on the side, two bumps or two stitches on the side of the Romanian cord. Crochet those first two stitches, then again two and turn. Now pick up two bumps on the side, those two stitches on the side that we have right here. One stitch on the side of the button, pull thread through that stitch on the button and through the two stitches on the cord. Have two stitches, crochet together, again turn. Again pick up two stitches on the side of the cord. It's very important, if you are tight, crocheting tight, loosen up a little bit, or if it's difficult, pick up a different hook, one size up. So we crochet this, then again we're turning. Again on the side of the cord, on the button, like this. The button has bumps and stitches, so you can go into the stitch one time and another time into the bump. And it's, again, you want to be nice and neat here, so don't be in a hurry. So this stitch goes through the thread, pulling through the edge of the button and through the first two stitches on the cord. Have two stitches, crochet two together, turn. Again pick up two side stitches from the cord, crochet them, then two together again and turn. Two stitches on the side of the cord, the stitch on the bottom like that, and pull this thread through the stitches on the cord, and then 2 stitches together, and continue this way all the way around the button. There are a few tricks that you need to figure out on your own, because not all of us are the same, are alike when we crochet. Some of you are crocheting tight, and for those who crochet really tight, it will be a problematic piece. So I would recommend to pick up a hook that is thicker that you would normally crochet. That will help you to crochet the cord around the button, that it will be nice and easy. Also, if you are a tight crocheter, I will recommend for you to probably sometimes, like for example here I had stitch already in this side. You can go into that side twice every other time. So for instance, you can go there and pull threads through the 2 stitches. So that way your Romanian cord will not be jammed and will not be tight, and will not go on the back of your button. You want it to be visible. So this is the reason I am you can go into the 1 stitch twice, but don't do it all the time. Skip every other time, I would say. So again, I'm going with the stitch into the side, 2 stitches, then into the button, pick up thread, going through the stitch on the button, through the 2 stitches on the cord, and again 2 stitches and turn. If you crochet loose, then it's nice to pick up hook that is smaller. That way it will help you to maintain a good tension, and your piece will look nice and neat. So this is how you go around the button, like that, and you will have this cord. Now I'll pick up the other piece that I almost finished, and we'll finish together. So go into the, trying to see what I did here. Actually I was here. I don't like this when you've finished something night before. Try to figure out what you did. Okay, 2 together, then turn into the stitch on the side, turn, and again into the stitches of the cord, into the button, and pull threads through those 2 stitches, then 2 together, turn. Again on the side of the cord, 2 together, turn. And here we at the end have to be very careful finishing it, that the edge or the ending and the beginning will kind of blend into one another. So this is something also to work and make sure that it will look neat. So here we will have to be very careful. You cannot really finish right the way, like right now here. I think you will. This is something to play with a little. So here I have a stitch already, pink stitch of my cord. So this is what I will do. I will go there. I'll finish, and think I will do again one more time on the other side of the button. Turn, and this is where we will finish. Like that. So you see how you have to work on the place right here. You will figure out on your own. It's very quite a tricky place, so have to watch for that neatness of your work. So if it's too bumpy here, take a needle and weave thread just inside the Romanian cord. Let me show you how I will finish this part. I'll figure out, pick up a right needle, and we'll finish this button. So we will go and I will insert the needle right at the next to the first bump right here. So I will just go underneath and go right inside the Romanian cord. And you know that Romanian cord is really generous. It's inside, it's kind of like emptiness in there. It's really easy to weave in. So pull on that to make sure that the edge here is nice and even, and then turn on the wrong side and this time you can just weave inside the button. Buttons are also generously allowing you to weave inside thread, and in such even the different color in such a way that you will never see where it is. So of course I will cut my thread right now because it's for the video, but you know that you have to weave in 1 or 2 times, something like that, to make sure that your thread will not unravel and will not come out. So here it is. Try to make a lot of them and decorate whatever you like. It's quite fun to make.